Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautifully restored 1967 Mustang Fastback. I got the owner, Pat, here. He's going to tell us a little bit about what he did. How you doing today, Pat?
Pretty good.
What a pretty car, man.
Thank you.
Jeez.
I had been looking for one of these for a bit of time to do a resto mod. I owned an auto repair shop for 40 years and recently retired. I built a shop at my house so I would be able to work in the convenience of my own place and leave it where it was as I'm done with it. Anyhow, so I found this in Cairo, Georgia. I had it shipped up. It had no motor transmission, no interior, nothing. It was a project, a little overwhelming, but it was fun, you know. It was a 9-month project to do. Probably average 35 hours a week inside the garage, a friend of mine and myself. We have a 93 Mustang 50 HO engine in it, a T5 5-speed transmission.
Very nice.
We did front disc brakes. We have stainless steel headers and stainless steel exhaust. All of the lettering and everything are all new. The interior was redone. We put air conditioning in, old-time AC with heat. It's a beautiful look. It looks original from inside the car. The wheels, we got 17-inch. It's the right size and tire, so you can rotate them if you choose. And you know, it prevents it from hitting the fender wells in any kind of condition.
Yeah, looks great with the 17s. Yeah. Those are US mags, right?
They're US mags, but the center cap is actually a center cap from a original Ford wheel that they took out the plastic emblem and had it machined and put it onto the US mags. So it looks like it was made for the car.
Yeah, it looks great against the red on red.
Thank you.
All brand new interior. Custom sound system, right?
Yes. Bluetooth ready. You can have your iPad, so you can answer the phone. It's got a microphone inside.
Great. Beautiful straight body, gorgeous chrome and stainless all the way around. It took you about 9 months to do, huh?
Yes.
Beautiful.
It was
a lot of attention to detail. Wow. It's hard to put that much love into something and then just sell it.
Well, the idea was to, in my retirement, to do one car a year. That's my goal.
Oh, cool. Love it. Did a beautiful job. Pat, can you pop the hood? She is. MSD ignition. Nice cold air intake. I like how you matched it to the body too. The color.
That was from watching Chip Foose all the time.
Vintage air conditioning, and then you got power steering, power disc brakes up front. Beautifully done, jeez.
It's also got the serpentine belt set up.
Strut tower brace from Mod. BBK Cold Air Intake. And new, all new shocks and everything, huh?
Yep.
Basically, it was a body when you started, right?
Yes.
Very cool. You even got the indicators working on the hood. Very cool. You fired up?
Sure.
Nice oval tips on the exhaust.
Yep.
What do you got under there? Flowmasters?
Flowmasters, yes.
Notice the sound right away. Custom door panels. A little bit kicked up a notch with kind of like a carbon fiber accent going on. Looks like it would come from the factory that way. With sill plates, bucket seats, finished in vinyl with a red piping. Really look great against the paint. Here's the air conditioning system. Looks original-ish, but it's obviously new. All new cluster, steering wheel, custom console with cup holders. And 885 miles on the build, huh?
Yep.
Wow. Look at that, even the clock works. Usually they're right just twice a day.
No, it works. It works.
Yeah, no, I can see it ticking. Very cool. Vintage sound. You can hook up your iPod. It's got aux in. Beautiful dash. Day-night mirror. Speakers in the kick panel. All new wiring, right? Was it a painless system?
Yes.
Cool. Are any seatbelts all the way around? Those are 5 1/4 back there or 6? Those are speakers back there. The 5 1/4.
I think they're 9-inch ovals. No, 9-inch rounds.
9-inch rounds.
I'm not sure.
Nice sound. Brand new weather stripping all the way around. Really no expense spared on this car. Take it for a quick ride? Yeah, let's buzz it around. Man, it's like a brand new car again. First shifter. Nicely resto modded, not too much. Thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com.